Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a custom color widget on your iPhone. So let's start. First open the App Store and search for Color Widgets app. This app is completely free, so download it and open it right now. This is the home screen of the app. And here you can see this app has a lot of templates which you can play with. Now let's look at some templates. Now I'll just select one to edit. Now tap on Edit Widget. You can change the background as well as color of the widget. I'll select this color. You can also change the font. I'll stick with this font. You can also change the widget style if you want to. Then tap on Set Widget and close the app and long press on the home screen and then tap on the plus icon to add a widget. Now search for the color widgets. Now select a size and tap on Add Widget. And that's how you can add a custom color widget on your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.